Hey guys, your girl here, Coach Tanisha Marie. So this book is called The Amazon, okay? Becoming a successful Amazon seller or influencer. So this book literally, guys, gives you step by step, okay? How to become an Amazon influencer, okay? I talk about becoming an influencer in real life. I show you step by step how to apply for the affiliate program, how to apply for the influencer program, and I also talk about Amazon stock, and I also talk about investing. So this is a book, okay, that I think everybody who shops on Amazon, you need this book, okay? So you can actually get it on Amazon, right? It's about 30 pages. You can read it in half an hour. You can read it in an hour. You could take notes. I got blank spaces on the back where you can literally take notes. I talk about budgeting, saving, investing, and borrowing money. Now I go into success. I talk about being successful. So many different ways, guys, to make money online. Like nobody shouldn't be making an extra $1,000 a month from home, especially if you're on social media, especially if you got a cell phone, especially if you're following me and watching me. So you go to the link in my bio, right? You can get the book on Amazon. Just type my name in. Literally, this book, guys, is millions of dollars worth of gain to show you how to make at least $1,000 passive income, guys, from the comfort of your home using your cell phone. See, we already shopping online. So I don't have to convince nobody to shop online, right? Now it's time for you to get paid for what you are already doing. We are in the best of times, friends. We are in the best of times right now. So make sure you go to my bio link, guys, and grab your Amazon book, and make sure you guys leave me a review. This is Coach Tanisha signing out. See you guys soon.